my shed.
Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be changing the manually operated hydraulic ram to an air over hydraulic ram in my motorcycle lift, mainly because I'm lazy. At last. I purchased this ram from eBay and I'll leave a link in the description. There is some assembly required out of the box, but nothing too difficult. The ram is shipped from the seller already pre-filled with oil. I'm applying Teflon or PTFE tape to the thread of the banjo bolt on the air supply hose to ensure I have no air leaks. There are no instructions supplied with the ram, so a little bit of mechanical knowledge is required. Care should be taken here not to over tighten the banjo bolt, as we're screwing into an aluminium housing. Next, the spring for the pump plunger needs to be installed. This requires the removal of the clevis pin and the spring slides over the plunger body into position. Next, I need to remove the manually operated ram from the bike lift, but first I need to remove my bike. Always ensure you have the safety pin engaged so the bike lift can't come down while you're working underneath it. The top and bottom mounting bolts are next, and as you can see, this base is tight in here. Out at last. Next is the foot pump linkage. I made a mistake here by removing the foot pump lever. It needs to stay on the bike lift so the air ram can be operated manually if required. It also prevents the plunger from popping out of the air ram under pressure, which I learnt the hard way. Fitting of the new air over hydraulic ram is pretty much a reversal of the removal procedure. I had to apply air to the ram here to extend it out a little so I could fit the lower mounting bolt. First test, and everything seems to be working as it should. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Just a short one today while I'm working on editing a larger project. If you like my content, then please like and subscribe and leave any comments you may have down below. And I'll see you on the next one.